Hello there and welcome to our channel. Once again, I'm Dr. Samuel, and many times when we see a chest x-ray, everything seems to be normal until we are asked to report the chest x-ray. Suddenly our minds go blank and we don't know what to say. Well, today I'm here to fix that problem right away. And in this video, I'm going to use a hypothetical patient's x-ray to demonstrate how to report a normal chest x-ray using the ABCDE approach. Of course, we're going to assume that the image quality is adequate. So if you're ready, let's go. This is a posterior anterior chest x-ray image taken on the 5th of January, 2026, belonging to Mr. AB, a 55-year-old male. The trachea is centrally positioned with no deviation. The carina is visible and normal. There is no evidence of tracheal narrowing or obstruction. The hilar structures are normal in size and position. Both lung fields are clear with normal bronchovascular markings. There are no focal opacities, consolidations, nodules, or interstitial markings. The lung apices are clear with no evidence of apical fibrosis or masses. There is no evidence of pneumothorax or pleural effusion. The cardiac silhouette is normal in size and contour, with a cardiothoracic ratio of less than 50%. The mediastinum is not widened, and the borders of the heart are clearly visible and well defined. The cardiophrenic angles are sharp bilaterally. Both hemidiaphragms are smooth and well defined, with the right slightly higher than the left, which is normal. The costophrenic angles are sharp bilaterally. The gastric air bubble is seen beneath the left hemidiaphragm, and there is no subdiaphragmatic free air seen. The aortic knuckle is well defined and of normal size. The aortopulmonary window is clear. The bony thorax, including the ribs, clavicles, scapulae, and visible spine, show no fractures or lytic lesions. The soft tissues appear normal with no surgical emphysema or masses. There is no medical device or foreign bodies seen. In conclusion, this is a normal chest x-ray with no radiological evidence of pathology.